Come today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M23, and I'll show you that the device comes with the protective case inside the box. So here, as you can see, we got the SIM tool only, and also in this paper box we got only the USB-C cable and the just the quick start guide of our Samsung Galaxy device. And unfortunately we have no here any protective cases in our Samsung Galaxy box, so unfortunately you should buy it separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.